What's going on today? So I thought I drank all the Good Robot from a couple weeks ago, but there was one left in the back of the fridge. Tropical Storm. It's kind of funny because we're getting a hurricane tomorrow. But no, there's going to be some waves and whatnot, but I don't think they're expecting anything too serious with Hurricane Aaron. Anyway, Tropical Storm Double IPA. Good Robot. 8%. Also, I like that logo. That's cool. That artwork. Let's give this a try. I opened it before, so I didn't have to struggle opening it on camera. That's good. That's actually really smooth. I'm impressed. I like it. All right, so bunch of video editing tomorrow. Somebody dropping off some more VHS tapes. Caloose this weekend. Pat and I will be there. Kids Parade and Family Fun Day or whatever it is on Saturday. The official schedule is online, of course. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you